All right, we got a nice little Kubota BX2380. It's a 23 horsepower diesel 3-cylinder engine. You got a 4-foot bucket up front. Hydrostatic drive, super easy to drive. Just forward and reverse on the pedal, which is going to be right here. It's got PTO, 3-point setup. Comes with a belly mower, which I will take pictures of that. Had to take it off to get it off the trailer, so you'll have to put that on when you get home. But very easy to do. Only 171 hours on the rig. And I'll go ahead and fire it up and show you how it operates, show you the PTO. You also got the quick disconnect for the bucket, so you can put forks on it, whatever attachments you want to have. Perfect tractor for a couple acres. Let's do the PTO. Quick demo for you, so come check out the tractor March 7th. That's preview day from 9 to 4. We have auctions on the 8th. You can start bidding now, and we'll see you on preview day. Thanks for watching.